Question number 1. Find the volume of a square base right pyramid of height 8 centimeters and base length 6 centimeters. We can write volume of a square base right pyramid is 1 over 3 into base area into perpendicular height. Base area is length into breadth. Base length 6, breadth also 6, 6 into 6 into perpendicular height is 8. Then we can cancel out 3 divided by 3 1, 6 divided by 3 2, 2 into 6 12, 12 into 8 96 cubic centimeters. Then question number 2. Shown in the figure is a square base right pyramid of base length a centimeters and height 2a centimeters. Find the volume of pyramid in terms of a. Again we can use volume equation. 1 over 3 into base area into perpendicular height. When getting base area, a into a. Perpendicular height is 2a. Then we can multiply 1 into 2, 2. There are 3 a terms. Then a to the power 3 divide by denominator is 3. 2 a to the power 3 over 3. Then question number 3. Find the base radius of a cone of height 7 centimeters and slant height 7 root 2. We can consider a cone like this. Now they have given base radius 7 and slant height 7 root 2. We have to find this perpendicular. No, they have given height 7 and slant height 7 root 2. We have to find base radius. Then we can use Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. Hypotenuse is the longest side. It is 7 root 2. We can write 7 root 2 squared equals sum of squares of remaining two sides, 7 squared plus r squared. Now I will simplify it. 7 squared 49, root 2 squared is 2. 7 squared 49 plus r. 49 into 2, 98. I will bring 49 to the left hand side. It is minus 49 equals r squared. 98 minus 49, 49. When finding r value, 49 is r squared. When finding r value, we have to get the square root of 49. It is 7 centimeters. Then radius of corresponding cone is 7 centimeters. Then next question number 4. Circumference of the base of a cone is 66. Its perpendicular height 20. Find the volume of the cone. Then finding volume of the cone. First of all, we have to find the radius by using given circumference. Then we can write circumference is 25r should be equals to 66. 2 into 5 value 22 over 7. We have to find r. Then I will write r without any change equals 66. Then we can subject r 66. We can divide by 7 to the right hand side as a multiplication. 2 into 22 to the right hand side as a division. 22 divided by 22 1, 66 divided by 22 3, 3 into 7, 21. 21 divided by 2 means 10.5 centimeters. It is the radius. Now we can find volume. Then I will write volume equation. Volume of cone is 1 over 3 phi r squared h. 1 over 3 phi value 22 over 7. Radius is 10.2, but we can substitute it as 10.5, but we can substitute it as 105 divided by 10 because of it is easy to simplify by using fraction form. It is radius. Then again we have to put radius 105 over 10, height 20. Then we have to simplify it. Divide by 7, 1. Divide by 7, 1. 3 remaining. 35 divided by 7, 5. 3 divided by 3, 1. 5. We can cancel out 10 and 20. 2. Now I will write it. 22 into 5 into 105 into 2. I will write it 210. Divide by 10. Then we can cancel out 1 0. And we have to multiply it. 22 into 5. 5 into 2, 22. 5 into 2, 10, 0, 1 remaining. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 110 multiplied by 21. 21 into 0, 0. 21 into 1, 21. 1, 2 remaining. 21 into 1, 20. 1 plus 2, 23. 2310 cubic centimeters is the volume. The next question. Question number 5. The volume of a square pyramid is 256. The length of side of its base is 8 centimeters. Find the height of the pyramid. We have to find the height. They have given volume. We can write volume 1 over 3 base area. When getting base area, base length is 8 centimeters. 8 into 8 perpendicular height h. It should be equals to 256. Then we can bring all numbers to the right hand side. 256 we can bring divide by 3 as a multiplication. Multiply by 8 into 8 as a division. Divide by 8 1. 25 divided by 8 3. 1 remaining. 16 divided by 8 2. Divide by 8 1. 32 divided by 8 4. 4 into 3. 12 centimeters is the height of the given pyramid. The next one. Question number 6. The height of a cone is 12 centimeters and radius 8 centimeters. Show that slant height of cone is 4 root 13 centimeters. Again they have given height 12. I will mark it in this diagram. Height 12 and radius 8. We have to find slant height and we have to show that slant height is this one. Then we can use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse of the triangle is L. L squared equals 12 squared plus 8 squared. 12 squared 144 into 8 squared 64. Then I will add it. 4 plus 4 8. 4 plus 6 10, 1 remaining. 1 plus 1 2. 208 is L squared. When finding L value, we have to get square root of 208. We can write it as a product between two terms. One term should be a perfect square number, and when observing the given answer, it is 4 root 3. We can write it square of 4 is 16. Then we can write it 16 into 13 root. We know that value of 16 root is 4. We don't know the value of root 13. Then we can write it in third form, 4 root 13 centimeters. Then question number 6. The height of a cone is 12 centimeters and radius 8 centimeters. No, it was solved one. Then question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 7. We can write the equation of volume of a sphere 4 over 3 phi r cube. 4 over 3, phi value is 22 over 7. Radius 7, we have to put 3 times, 7 into 7 into 7. We can cancel out 1 7 term. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 49, divide by 3. Now I will multiply it. 49 multiplied by 88. 8 into 9, 72. 7 remaining. 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 7, 39. Again we have to multiply by 8. 392. And we can add 2, 9 plus 2, 1, 11, 1 remaining. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 remaining. 1 plus 3, 4. And we have to divide it by 3. 4 divided by 3, 1. 1 remaining. 13 divided by 3, 4. 1 remaining. 11 divided by 3, 3. 2 remaining. 22 divided by 3, 7. 1 remaining. We can write it as a mixed number 1 over 3. 1437 and 1 over 3. And we have to put the unit cubic centimeters. Then next question. Radius of a solid hemisphere is 11. The volume 1 cubic centimeter of substance that made the hemisphere weighs 10 grams. Find the weight of hemisphere. First of all, we have to get the volume of given hemisphere. We can write volume of hemisphere. If there is a sphere, we can write volume 4 over 3 phi r cube. But there is a hemisphere, then we have to divide it by 2. Divide by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 multiplied by phi value 22 over 7. There is a denominator 3. Radius of given hemisphere is 11 centimeters. Then 11 into 11 into 11. Now I will simplify it and I will get the decimal form. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 11 into 11, 121 into 11. Divide by 7 into 3, 21. We can obtain answer by multiplying 44 into 121 into 11. It should be 58,564. We have to divide it by 21. After dividing, we can get the answer 2788.7. 2788.7 cubic centimeters. We know that 1 cubic centimeter, mass of 1 cubic centimeter is given as 10 grams. Therefore, we can get mass of this one by multiplying this value by 10, multiply by 10. When multiplying by 10, we can bring decimal place one time to the right hand side. It is 27,887 grams, or we can write answer in kilograms, 27.887. The next question. Question number 9. The area of circular base of cone is 1386 and perpendicular height 25. Find the volume of the cone. We know that volume of cone is 1/3 phi r squared h. 1/3 phi r squared means base area. Base area is given as 1386. Height is 25. We can cancel out 3 divided by 3, 1. 13 divided by 3, 4. 1 remaining. 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. Then we have to multiply it by 25. 462 multiplied by 25. 25 into 2, 50, 0, 5 remaining. 25 into 6, 150, 150 plus 5, 155, 5, 15 remaining. 25 into 4, 100, 100 plus 15, 115 cubic centimeters. Then question number 10. The volume of a solid hemisphere is 1527 and 3/7. Find the radius of radius of sphere. We can write the equation for the volume of sphere. 4/3 phi r square, phi r cube. It should be equals to given value 1527 and 3/7. Volume 4/3 phi r cube should be equal to this given value, but I will write it as an improper fraction. When getting improper fraction, denominator is 7. 7 into 1527, 10,689, and we have to add 3 in the numerator, 10,692. Then we have to substitute value for the phi value. 4/3 phi value 22/7. Radius is the problem. R cube should be equal to 10,692 divided by 7. We can cancel out 7 and 7. Then I will bring all term to the right hand, all numbers to the right hand side. R cube is 10,692 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 into 22. Then I will simplify it. We can cancel out by 11. 22 divided by 11, 2. Divide by 11, 9, 99. 7, 2, 972. Then again we can cancel out by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 972 divided by 4, 243. Now we can multiply it by 3 and denominator is 2, divide by 2. 364.5. Now we have to get third root of 364.5. R is third root of 364.5 centimeters. Now I will not simplify it, but you can simplify it by using logarithms. We have to use logarithms to simplify it. Then next question. Question number 11. A solid metal sphere of radius a centimeters was melted and casted into 10 solid spheres of radius r over 2 centimeters. Show that r is third root of 4,5 centimeters. We can get volume of 10 metal spheres. 10 spheres, 4 over 3, 5, 4 over 3, 5, radius is r over 2 cube into 10 should be equals to volume of initial solid. It means sphere of radius a, 4 over 3, 5 a cube. Now we can cancel out 4 over 3, 5 in both sides. We have to subject r cube divided by 2 to the power 3, 8 into 10 equals right hand side a cube. Divide by 2, 4, divide by 2, 5. Then we can bring numbers to the right hand side. R cube is 4 over 5 a cube. When getting third root, we know that third root of r cube is r. We can write 4 over 5 third root without any change. And third root of a cube is a. Then it is the given answer. Then part 2. Taking a as 3.5 centimeters, find the value of r to the nearest first decimal place using the table of logarithms. A is 3.5. Then we can substitute given values to the equation. R is 4 over 5 third root. A is 3.5. Now we have to convert roots to powers. 4 to the power 1 over 3 divide by 5 to the power 1 over 3 multiply by 3.5. R equals, then we can put log term to both sides. Log r equals log 4 to the power 1 over 3 multiply by 3.5 divide by 5 to the power 1 over 3. Then we have to find log values. Before it, I will expand the equation. Log 4 to the power 1 over 3 plus log 3.5. When multiplying, we have to add logarithms minus log 5 to the power 1 over 3. Then we can get 1 over 3 log 4 plus log 3.5 minus 1 over 3 log 5. Then we have to find log values. 1 over 3. When finding log 4, there is only one whole number. Then we can get 0 point. Log 4 value 6020. You can refer the log table and you can obtain the value 6020. Plus, when getting log 3.5, there is only one whole number, 0 point. Log 3.5 value is 5440 minus 1 over 3. Now there is only one whole number, 0 point. Log 5 value 6990. Then we can divide this value by 3. 0 divided by 3, 0 point. 6 divided by 3, 2. 0 divided by 3, 0. 2 divided by 3, 0. 20 divided by 3, 6. Plus 0.5440 minus 1 over, again we can divide it. 0 divided by 3, 0. 0.6 divided by 3, 3. 9 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3, 0. Then we can add first two terms. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 2 plus 5, 7. 0 point. Minus 0.2330. Then we can subtract 6 minus 0, 0. 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 0. It is log R. Then we can find R value. R is antilog 0.5116. We can find the antilog value. Ten to the power we can get antilog value antilog value of 0.5116. 5116 we can find it 3247. 3247. We can separate one whole number because of it is 0 point value. Answer should be in centimeters. It is radius. The next question. Question number 12. A solid metal cone of base radius A and height h was made by melting the given cuboid shaped metal block. Assume that there was no waste of metal. The molding process. Part 1. Find the volume of metal block in terms of A. We can write length into breadth into height. Length A, 3A, breadth A, height A. Then we can write 3A cube, 3A to the power 3 is the volume of given metal block. Then part 2, find the volume of the cone in terms of A and H. We can write volume of cone is 1 over 3 5 r squared h. R is a, 5a squared h. Then part 3, show that h equals given value. Then we can equal this volume and this one, and we have to find h value. I will bring all terms to the left hand side without h. 3a cube multiplied by 3 divided by 5a squared is h. 3 into 3, 9. We can cancel out 2a terms. Then a in numerator divided by 5 is the value of h. Then question number 13, last question. The height of a solid right circular cylinder is L and base radius 2a. The cylinder is melted and 30 identical solid metal spheres of radius a are made without wastage of metal. Find the volume of cylinder in terms of phi a and L. We can write volume of cylinder phi r squared h, phi a squared h. H value is given as L. Part 2, find the volume of 30 spheres in terms of phi and a. We can write volume of one sphere 4/3 phi a cube. Now there are 30 spheres, then we have to multiply it by 30. Divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 10. 10 into 4, 40 phi a cube. So that the height of cylinder is 10 times radius of sphere. Then we can equal volume of cylinder phi a squared L should be equals to volume of sphere 40 phi a cube. Then we have to find L value. L is 40 phi a cube divided by phi a cube, a squared. We can cancel out one phi term, a squared. Now they have given height of solid cylinder is L and base radius 2a. Then volume of cylinder should be phi radius 2a. 2a squared, 2 squared means 4, a squared L. Then 4a squared L. Then we can bring 4 to the right hand side. 4 divided by 4, 1. 40 divided by 4, 10. Then we can obtain L is 10a. It is 10 times of radius.